Hey YouTube. I regretfully have to admit something. I bought another gun. And not the gun that normally, some 45 brass there, I was just eyeballed. I gotta keep up with that. 45 long Colt brass. Not the kind of gun I would normally buy. I do own one already, and I own two. Glock. Model 21, blah, 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 whatever they said there. I think it's a third generation. I don't know crap about Glocks, but it's got the finger grooves there. If I'm not mistaken, that means it's a third generation. Could be wrong. 45 auto. I think it has Talon grips or some manufacturer like that. They're real rubbery grips, and in the sunlight I can tell it's I thought they was something they'd just done with the grip, but I can tell now that it's some kind of aftermarket grips added to it. Real grippy, real rubbery. It does have night sights. I don't know, $439 in the box with extra mag. I just walked into a pawn shop, just happened to be riding by it. Like, well, let me jump in there just while I'm here. I'm riding right by. And like I said, I'm not a big Glock fan, but for 439 bucks in the box with extra mag, I thought it was a pretty good deal. I mean, you know, maybe I ain't been pricing them currently, but usually I see Glock 9mm for 500 bucks, so I thought it was a good deal. So anyway, not much to review. It's a freaking brick. It's a Glock, and it's a Model 21, so it's even bigger brick than a Model 17. But anyway, what the hell? I thought it was a good deal. Pretty sure I won't get hurt if I try to resell it later down the road. So let's see if I can hit the broadside of a barn with it. Main camera, yeah. All right, here we go. If I don't hit anything, it's not my fault. It's the gun's fault. Alright. 45 and a hefty gun still packs a punch. Not real accurate with it. I'll have to put it on paper to see where I'm hitting at. And it does come standard with a shitty Glock trigger, so there you go. Anyway, my new purchase, Glock 21. And it ain't fancy, it ain't nice, it's a freaking Glock, but there you go. Another gun for the safe. Later, YouTube.